So what is machine learning? It's a branch of artificial intelligence, or we call as a subfield of artificial intelligence that focus on enabling computers to learn from data. Look at, so that focus on enabling computers to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. Okay, that they will not, they are not programmed to different logic. But what a program, no, they are programmed with data. By the data, they'll try to learn. I'll explain and I'll come to that part later. Okay, and in essence, it's about creating algorithms that can identify patterns. This is very, very important. So machine learning or learning is nothing but identifying patterns in data. Okay. So what the machine will do, I'll come to that, Sean. Wait a minute. Listen to me. So what is machine learning? It's nothing but identifying patterns in data. Okay. And then use those patterns to make predictions or decisions. So why you want to predict, or why you want to find a patterns in data to predict, yeah, or make some decisions. Okay, did you guys get something? Machine learning is all about identifying patterns in data. Patterns in data. Okay, I'll come to that. I'll explain what is pattern and everything. I will explain one by one in every week. Yeah, yeah. So what is machine learning? Is a field or branch of artificial intelligence that focus on enabling computers to learn from data. Okay, and so we are not explicitly programming the computer to learn from data. Okay, so that's what called it, without being explicitly programmed from the that explicitly programming, the computer will learn from data. So what does it mean in other sense? No, it's nothing but creating algorithms or programs that can identify patterns in data so that we can use that to predict or make some decision. Yeah. So in other words, machine learning is nothing but computers learning patterns from data to make predictions. Just a summary. Just summary. Okay. So what is machine learning? Computers learning patterns from data to make predictions or to make decisions. That is called machine learning. So a machine is learning from data, and what does it learn? It learns pattern, okay, that are found in the data. Millions of data will feed into the machine, and the machine will, or the, what does it mean? The algorithm will find patterns in the millions and millions of data, and it will help us to decisioning, okay, or for prediction. That is called machine learning. Okay, it's learning from the data. A machine is learning from the data, and what does it learn? It learns so that it can find patterns. Okay, and these patterns will help us in creating decisions or making predictions. That is called machine learning.